Hi friends, welcome to the new Drive series this summer. Welcome to Beyond Borders with Anish.
The Lüneburg Heath is a large, predominantly gently rolling heath, geest, and forest landscape in northeastern Lower Saxony, in the catchment areas of the cities of Hamburg, Bremen, and Hanover. It is named after the city of Lüneburg and encompasses the main part of the former Principality of Lüneburg. Every year, the heather blooms in the Lüneburg Heath, a special time of year. Photographers flock to the car-free nature reserve and lie in wait at dawn, searching for the best subject and the most beautiful light. A sunrise with early morning mist on the blooming heath isn't something you get every day. It's best known for its purple heather blooms in late summer, usually August-September, giving the landscape a striking, almost surreal carpet of color. The area is a mix of open heath, pine forests, and small villages, and it's one of the largest remaining areas of heath in Europe. The violet-purple flowers that cover Lüneburg Heath in late summer are common heather, called Una vulgaris. It's the plant responsible for the famous purple carpet effect across the heath from early August to early September. Color ranges from soft lilac to deep violet. Local connection, maintained historically by grazing Heidschnacken sheep, which prevent trees from overtaking the heath. Cultural symbol, heather is seen as a symbol of luck and endurance in the region. There's also some bell heather, Erica cinerea, in certain patches, but Una vulgaris is the main star of the show.
Please consider liking my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in Germany and across Europe.
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.